Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Welcome friends. This is a 32-inch LCD TV. In this TV the complaint is picture upside down issue. To solve this issue, we need to enter into the service mode. For entering to the service mode we need to take the remote. In this TV the service mode code is menu plus 8896. So in remote press menu button then press 8896 on number keys. See, after following this method, now we enter into the factory mode. Now go to panel control. In panel control you can see mirror option. See friends, in default it's in on position, so turn it off. See, after that now the picture is correct and the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it, hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.